can't see the end of the street.
He freaked out because it. Oh god, the camera is like wet now.
Right along the soda house we want.
It's like an igloo now. Yeah, you can't see like anything. This is just crazy.
Yeah, I want to see your feet get out there before Chevy Mountain.